Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday English with Mark and Anna.
Hi friends, how are you today? Are you ready for another fun English lesson?
Today, we'll learn how to talk about time, describe your daily routine, and make plans with friends.
So, if you've ever wanted to say when you wake up, what you do in the morning, or how to ask a friend to meet you, this lesson is perfect for you.
Grab your notebook, sit back, and let's begin. Let's start with the basics. How to tell the time.
Repeat after us.
1 o'clock,
2 o'clock,
3 o'clock,
4 o'clock,
5 o'clock,
6 o'clock,
7 o'clock,
8 o'clock,
9 o'clock,
10 o'clock,
11 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Now, let's learn how to say times like half past, quarter to, and quarter past.
Repeat after me. 2:30, 6:15, 9:15, 10:30, 7:15, 8:45.
Now, let's use them in sentences. It's 7 o'clock. It's 9:30. It's 11:45.
Now you, listener, repeat after each one.
Perfect! You're right on time.
Now let's talk about what we do every day, our daily routine.
Yes, these words are super useful. Repeat after us. Wake up.
Get up,
Brush my teeth.
take a shower,
Get dressed.
eat breakfast,
Go to work.
go to school,
Eat lunch.
go home,
Have dinner.
watch TV.
Go to bed.
Now let's say them in short sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast at 8. I go to work at 9. I come home at 6. I go to bed at 10.
Now it's your turn. Repeat each one.
Excellent.
Now let's have a short conversation. Anna, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I go for a run before work.
Wow, that's early. I like to sleep more.
Now you, listener, say, I wake up at... Good.
Now that you know how to tell time, let's learn how to make plans.
Here are some useful phrases. Repeat after us. What are you doing today? Do you want to go out? Let's go to the park. Let's have dinner together. What time shall we meet? Let's meet at 5 o'clock. See you later. Sounds good.
Now, let's use them in a little conversation.
Hi, Anna. What are you doing today?
Not much. I just finished work.
Do you want to go to the cafe?
Sure. What time shall we meet?
Let's meet at 6 o'clock.
Sounds good. See you then.
Now you, listener, repeat some parts. Say, let's meet at 6 o'clock. Sounds good. Perfect. Okay, now let's practice your listening. We'll tell you about a person's day. Listen carefully and answer the questions.
Hi, my name is Leo. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast and go to school at 8. At 12, I eat lunch with my friends. After school, I play football in the park. In the evening, I do my homework and watch TV. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Ready for some questions? What time does Leo wake up?
7 o'clock.
What does he do after school?
He plays football.
What time does he go to bed?
10 o'clock.
Perfect. Now let's review what we learned today.
I learned how to tell the time. It's 7 o'clock. Talk about daily routines. I brush my teeth. Make plans. Let's meet at 6.
Now let's test your memory. Quick questions. Okay, question 1. How do you say 7:30?
7:30.
Question 2. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Question 3. How do you ask someone to meet you?
And then we say, what time shall we meet?
Perfect.
You did a fantastic job today.
Yes, now you can tell time, talk about your routine, and make simple plans in English.
Practice these sentences every morning and every night.
And don't forget, repeat them out loud. Speaking helps you remember faster.
In our next lesson, we'll talk about clothes, colors, and shopping. It's going to be fun and fashionable.
See you soon for lesson 5.
Bye-bye, friends!